Hi, I'm Brianna with IT Supplies. When we talk about DTG, we talk about pre-treat. They go hand in hand, and proper pre-treat is super important for getting quality prints on your garments. In this video, I'm going to go through 4 different pre-treat methods from the most recommended to the least recommended. Before we get started, what is pre-treat? Essentially, it's just Elmer's glue and salt water. It is used to adhere white ink to the fibers of your garment. Although some people will apply pre-treat to light garments to get a vibrant, crisper image, it is not necessary. The pre-treat process starts out the same no matter which method you're using, and it actually has nothing to do with pre-treat. The first thing you're going to do, no matter what, is pre-press your shirt to lay down the fibers. Pre-treat solution can separate in the container, so be sure to shake up the pre-treat before using it. Every pre-treat is different, so read instructions specific to the brand you are using. Now let's get into the different application methods. The top way we recommend pre-treating garments is with a quality pre-treater. A pre-treater is basically a contained Wagner sprayer in a box. These can get as complicated as having a touch screen where you can control precisely where the spray goes. We like the simple pre-treaters, where you can see the fluid lines easily access inside the machine to clean the nozzles and surrounding areas. It is important to be able to do this because that glue-like solution could cause clogs, and you will want to be able to clean it easily. With a pre-treater like our Lawson here, you can dictate the spray area using the measurements on the outside. You can also control the speed of the spray, so the faster the nozzle moves, the less pre-treat you're laying down. We like this method because it is customized to the specific garment and print design. We find that the quality and consistency is better than the next recommended method, which is already pre-treated shirts. The already pre-treated shirts method is the simplest. All you do is order the shirt online. It's a great place to start if you're new to DTG because you take the human error out of the equation. Pre-treating yourself also takes time, so removing this from your workflow can decrease production time. When you buy pre-treated shirts, the entire garment is dunked in pre-treat, so you can print anywhere on the garment. This can become inconsistent due to the shipping factor because garments can get roughed up and disturb the pre-treat. Our next recommended method is with a handheld Wagner sprayer. There are a bunch of different variations of these, which you can purchase from a hardware store. These will produce a consistent spray across the garment. However, it is up to the operator to have an even pattern. As you can imagine, there is a ton of overspray and waste with this method. You would want a contained area as you will be basically spraying Elmer's glue everywhere. Lastly, and the least recommended method, is the roller method. With this, you would use a 4-inch high-density foam roller. You can also buy these at your local hardware store. For this application, you would dunk the roller in the pre-treat and roll it on the garment in the direction the print head moves. In most cases, this would be left and right on the shirt instead of up and down. This can easily produce excess pre-treat on the garment or the chance of pulling up fibers. However, we do find this method best when printing on small areas such as bibs, onesies, or anything like baby clothes. One last tip. Once you have applied the pre-treat, it is very important to dry the garment completely. This can be done with a heat press or hang drying. Even when hang drying, you still want to kiss the garment with your heat press to get those fibers laid down. Now you are ready to print or store your pre-treated shirts. When storing, do your best not to disturb the pre-treat and be sure to keep your garments somewhere away from dust and moisture. If you are looking for a pre-treater or DTG printer, check out the rest of our videos and our website. We also encourage you to call us so we can recommend the best solution for your needs. Thank you for watching.